Already we finished that first exercise. Before going to start the second exercise, I will tell some examples. The second exercise is will be done by substitution method. Okay. Here in this most of the problems you see two functions. The derivative of one will be the second one. The derivative of first function will be the second one. The first function will be taken as the t, automatically get that second function. Just by observing these 9 examples, you will come to know the first one, that is the what is the integral of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. This tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx, I am going to take it as the integral of tan inverse x into 1 plus x square dx. Here you observe that two functions, one is the tan inverse x, one is the 1 divided by 1 plus x square. The derivative of this one is this, so take tan inverse x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of tan inverse with respect to x? 1 divided by 1 plus x square is equal. What is the derivative of t with respect to x? dt by dx. dt by dx means take dx here, dt here. Okay. So this is equal. The integral, the tan inverse x will be taken as what? T, and 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx will be taken as what? dt. Here power is 1. Already we know that the integral of x to the power of n dx equal x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. In the place of n we have that 1. So what we can write? T to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. This is equal. Here t means what? Tan inverse x. So tan inverse x whole square divided by 2 plus c. It is answer of this one. Example 2. What is the integral of log x whole cube divided by x dx? The question is, what is the integral of log x whole cube divided by x dx? I am going to write this as integral of log x whole cube into 1 by x dx. In this question, you can observe two functions. One is the log x, one is the 1 by x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x. So take log x is equals to t. Take log x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. With respect to x. The derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to, the derivative of t is dt by dx. Now I am writing it as a 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Just observe, we can replace log x with t, we can replace 1 by x dx with dt. This is equal, in the place of log x take t, in the place of 1 by x dx take dt. So what? Integral of t cube into dt. Now the integral of x to the power of n dx is equal x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. The integral of t cube is equal what? T to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. This is equal t to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. Here t means log x. Again we have to replace that. So log x whole to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c is the answer of this question. Next, example 3. What is the integral of tan cube x into secant square x dx? By using substitution, we will do this problem. Already I said that in most of the problems you will see two functions. One is the f of x and one is the f dash of x. So here watch, the integral of tan cube x into secant square x dx. Here in this problem you can see the derivative of tan x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x. So this tan x will be taken as the t. Take tan x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x. Secant square x into dx is equals to dt. I am taking directly the derivative of t is dt by dx. I took dx left side. Just observe these two. Tan x is equals to t. Secant square x dx is equals to dt. The both will be replaced in this. This is equal integral of tan x means t cube. Secant square dx means that is dt. So this can be written as what? So t to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. T means what? That is tan x. So tan x whole to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. It is answer of this question. Next example, that is what is the integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. I am going to write it as a integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx is equal integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x square 2x dx. What is the derivative of 1 plus x square? What is the derivative of 1 plus x square? That is the 2x. The derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x. The derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So this 1 plus x square is the f of x and this 2x is the f dash of x. This 1 plus x square will be taken as the t. So take 1 plus x square is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of 1 plus x square? 2x is equal. What is the derivative of t? dt by dx. The derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx. I am taking the dx left side. So 2x dx is equal to what? dt. Now this is equal integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x square means t. 2x dx means dt. It is just like integral of 1 by x dx. Okay, what is the formula for this? Log mod x plus c. So this can be written as what? Log mod t plus c. Again t will be replaced with 1 plus x square. So this is equal what? log mod 1 plus x square plus c. So it is the answer of this example 4. Next example 5, that is, what is the integral of sine to the power of 20x cos x dx? Here in this question you can observe the two functions. One is the one is the sin x and one is the cos x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So this sin x will be taken as the t. Put sin x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of sin x with respect to x? Cos x. Cos x is equal. What is the derivative of t with respect to x? dt by dx. I am taking the dx left side. Dx equals to dt. Now this one will be taken as integral of sin x means t to the power of 2020 and this cos x dx became dt. What is the integral of x to the power of n? X to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. The integral of t to the power of 2020 dt will be t to the power of 2020 plus 1 divided by 2020 plus 1 plus c. This is equal t to the power of 2021 divided by 2021 plus c. Okay, thus t should be replaced with sin x. So watch, sin x whole to the power of 2021 divided by 2021 plus c. It is the answer of this example 5. Next, what is the integral of cot x dx? I am going to write as the integral of cot x means cos x by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x dx. Just small arrangement. I am going to write as a 1 by sin x into cos x dx. Here you can observe that the derivative of sin x is cos x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. So this sin x will be taken as t. Take sin x equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. The derivative of t is dt by dx. I am taking the dx left side. So cos x dx equal what? That is the dt. So this can be written as integral of 1 by sin x means t, sin x means t, and cos x dx means dt. It is just like the integral of 1 by x dx. What is the formula? Integral of 1 by x dx? That is the log mod x. What is the integral of 1 by t dt? That is the log mod t plus c. This is equal log mod t means what? Sin x. So log mod sin x plus c is the integral of cot x. You should remember it as a formula. The integral of cot x dx is equal log mod sin x plus c. Next, example 7, that is what is the integral of tan x dx? What is the integral of tan x dx? is equal, this tan x will be written as sin x divided by cos x dx. This is equal 1 divided by cos x into sin x dx. Here I am going to take the cos x as t. Don't take sin x as t. Just take cos x as t. Take cos x as t. Put cos x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Minus sin x is equal, the derivative of t with respect to x is dt by dx, but I am taking dx here, dt here. Now this is equal, what you can write? Sin x dx is equal minus dt. So integral of this cos x can be replaced with t. Cos x can be replaced with t and sin x dx can be replaced with minus dt. So 1 by cos x means t, sin x dx means minus dt, minus is constant, I am taking outside, minus dt. Now this is equal minus integral of 1 by t dt is log mod t. Log mod t plus c, this is equal minus log mod t means what? Cos x. Cos x plus c. Here we have one formula, that is log a to the power of m is equal m log a. M log a. Here m log a is equal log a to the power of m. Okay, here minus is there, so minus is just like m, minus log cos x is equal log cos x whole inverse. Log of cos x whole inverse. Cos x whole inverse means that is a 1 by cos x. Cos x whole inverse. Cos x whole inverse is equal what? That is a 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x means that is a sec x. So this minus, it will come as power of cos x. So what we can write? Directly log mod of sec x plus c. This is the answer of this. You should remember that the integral of tan x dx is log mod sec x plus c. Okay. Example 8, that is what is the integral of secant x dx? Integral of secant x dx. This is equal integral of secant x, just multiply and divide by secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. Divided by secant x plus tan x dx. Now this is equal integral of secant x into secant x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x, secant x tan x divided by secant x plus tan x dx. Integral of 1 divided by secant x plus tan x into secant x tan x plus secant square x dx. Okay, the derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x. So replace this. Take substitution as t. Put secant x plus tan x is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Secant x tan x plus secant square x is equal, the derivative of t is dt by dx. So what? Dx is equals to dt. Just type it like this. Now this is equal integral of 1 divided by secant x tan x means t, secant x tan x plus secant square x dx means dt. What is the integral of 1 by d dt? That is a log mod t plus c is equal log mod t means secant x plus tan x. Plus c. You have to remember that the integral of secant x dx is log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Just before going to discuss this example 9, see one formula that is that belongs to trigonometry. What is the cosecant square x? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. What is that? 1. This is just like a square minus b square. We can write as a plus b into a minus b. So what? Cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. From this what we can write? Cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 divided by cosec theta plus cot theta. You have to remember this. 1 divided by cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to cosec theta minus cot theta. You have to remember that. We will use this one in that problem. What is the integral of cosec x dx? This is equal integral of cosec x, just multiply and divide by cosec x plus cot x divided by cosec x plus cot x dx. This is equal integral of, multiply these two, cosecant square x plus cot x, cosec x cot x divided by cosec x plus cot x dx. Now take this denominator as t. Just take that cosec x plus cot x equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of cosec x is cosec x minus cosec x cot x the derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x is equal, the derivative of t is dt by dx. I am taking dx here, dt just take the minus common from these two and send right side. So this one become cosec x, or just I am changing order, cosecant square x plus cosec x cot x dx is equal minus dt. Just observe this cosec x plus cot x can be replaced with t. Cosecant square x plus cosec x cot x will be replaced with minus dt. So this is equal integral of the denominator is t and cosec square x plus cosec x cot x dx. This completely will become minus dt. So minus I am taking outside, dt I am taking here. This is equal minus integral of 1 by t dt. Now this is equal minus log t log mod t plus c equal minus log, here t means what? Cosecant x plus cot x. Cosecant x plus cot x plus c. Already I said that m log a is equal log a to power of m. Here this minus is just like m. This minus we can take as the power here. That term will become 1 divided by cosec x plus cot x. Cosec x plus cot x whole inverse will become 1 divided by cosec x plus cot x. That can be written as the cosec x minus cot x. So this equal what? Directly I am writing log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. It is the formula of this one. You should remember the integral of cosec x dx is log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c.